Finding distance from a position versus time graph requires you to ask yourself, how far did the thing move? Right? Distance is not displacement. Sometimes they're the same number, but oftentimes they're not. So how do you find distance? Well, if you have a position versus time graph that has multiple segments, right, like it changes directions, then you have to find out how far the thing moved in each of those segments. So we have 3 different segments. For this first one, when he was moving forward, he goes from 6 to 12, right? So how far did it move during that time? It moved 6 meters. During the next segment, it's flatline. A flatline on position time graph means that it didn't move. It started at 12 here, it ended at 12 at 6 seconds. So during that time, he didn't move, so the how far is 0. Okay, we're going to keep track of these numbers when we find them. Then finally, he went from 12 meters back down to 0 meters. Now, I know he's going the negative direction, but with distance, we only care about how far, so we don't care about positive or negative, because positive and negative are just a forward and backwards direction. So from 6 seconds to 10 seconds, his distance was 12 meters, right? And so we're going to keep track of that. We have 3 different distances. We're just going to add them together. 6 plus 0 plus 12 is 18. So the distance is 18 meters. And so that's how you'd find distance. At any point, you would just add up the distance traveled for each of the segments that are given you. And this makes sense because if you watched his motion, so let's watch his motion. He went from 6 to 12, which is 6 meters. Then he went backwards 12 meters. So if you add that together, it's 18 meters.